Hello, I'm going to do an important job for helping wildlife. I'm going to clean my bird feeders. Now, this fat ball feeder has been in use for a couple of weeks now, and some of the fat has got stuck all over the bottom and is looking a bit grotty. So I'm going to give it a good clean so that it doesn't build up with bacteria and make the birds sick. So I've got a bucket of warm soapy water, just some eco-friendly washing up liquid. I've got an old rag, which is actually an old pair of pyjamas we cut up to use as cloths around the house. I've got some old scrubbing brushes that I don't use anymore, so these are now the wildlife brushes. And I'm just going to give them a good old clean. Now, it's important to do this quite regularly because some birds, particularly finches, are really susceptible to diseases that build up on bird feeders. And while it's a really good thing to put out food for the birds, you do also have to make sure you keep it clean and remember to do the washing up, just like with our dishes. There we are, giving that a good scrub. Just got some fresh clean water here to rinse things in. I'm going to leave that to dry and then put it back up with some more food. Now I've also got a bowl that I fill with water for the birds to have a bath in and have a drink from. That's looking pretty mucky too. So that's getting the same treatment. This is a nice, quick, easy job that you can join in with at home. Only takes about 5 or 10 minutes every couple of weeks. And it means that your wildlife will be a bit more healthy. Because no one wants to eat off dirty dishes, do they? For more tips of things that you can do to help wildlife in your garden, have a look at our Facebook page.